And welcome back. We are talking with Carolyn A. Brent. She is an author and an advocate for caregivers and helping our elderly parents and loved ones. We're talking about things we need to know for end-of-life planning. Let's talk about guardianship, Carolyn. That's an important topic.
Yes, a guardianship is, in my case, I was my father's fiduciary, meaning over his finances and his medical. My sister became his guardian because she petitioned the court to get guardianship. So I share with folks because Dad and I, we didn't know to go to the state, and when Dad, at the time when he became sick, I would have been his legal guardian, but I wasn't. So you want to make sure that you put your legal documents in the state, not just federal, the state. And I'm really speaking to the veterans. The veterans think that just because they have veterans benefits and they've appointed a fiduciary, that's going to help them for end of life. But a guardianship, who's going to take care of you medically, financially, legally, and basically act on your behalf? So that's very important. You do that in the state of where you live. That's very important.
And I was just telling Ronnie during the break, it's important to know if your loved one has a safe deposit box and where the key is kept, because in the case with us and when my dad passed away, we didn't know where the key was.
Most people, Carol, they don't know where anything is of their loved ones. I mean, nothing. They don't know that maybe the father or the mother has a family in another country. There's so much we find out afterwards. That's why it's crucial to have these conversations when everybody is healthy. And the parents, the traditionals like your dad and my dad, which were over the age of 70, it's called the traditionalists. Anyway, they used to hide everything. They never told us that they were sick. They would hide money in the mattress. You name it, they hid it. But the baby boomers, those of us that are now, born between 1946 and 1964, we are the baby boomers. Don't hide anything from your kids. Let them know, or anybody that you trust, where all your legal documents are, the keys are, the combinations to Facebook, Twitter, you name it, because let's face it, if something happens and you want to go to AT&T and say, well, I need to resolve my parents' account, they're not going to let you in unless you have the account number.
Wow. That's hit spot on. That's what happened with us. And my dad did hide everything, Carolyn. It's amazing the things.
Oh, wow.
My brother and I, we found the key hidden in this little tiny ceramic bowl with a lid that was in his living room, but we found it after we had to file the paperwork to get the key to the safety deposit box. Anyways, great advice. Great advice as always, the caregiver's companion. Carolyn, we just encourage, I know our viewers have been checking this out, and if they have questions, they can always turn to this. So we always appreciate you coming on and sharing with us, Carolyn, so much.
And I enjoy it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Carolyn. We'll see you next month.
Okay, bye-bye.
And friends, we will see you tomorrow. We hope that you enjoy this, summer day?
It is going to be a summer day.
Summer-like day. It's 90 degrees, so go out and enjoy it, and we'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday. Thanks for joining us today.